Welcome to Daily Recap. I'm Think Tank Trader on YouTube, the Pirate Trader everywhere else. Message me for a Discord invite, and you can get one free week of Discord to try it out. Watch me trade live every single morning, 7:30 to 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Read the disclaimer, pause the video if you need to. This is never financial advice. Let's get to it. On February 19th, we took Meta and Nvidia. Now, this was a Wednesday, and there was a Fed speak going on. Um, Fed speak, for those of you who don't know, the Fed gets together uh, pretty much every one Wednesday every month, and they this was a minutes only meeting. It wasn't a decision for interest rate decision, but on these days, it's kind of a wacky day to trade. Um, the setups looked good, so I took some, but the reality is we didn't do that great. Luckily, we got stopped out still at a profit, so it wasn't that big of a deal. But you know, we are here to trade, uh, or I am here to trade. But so Meta, we had our pre-market levels. Uh, this one right here was the first bar. First 10-minute bar closed below with a strong trend. So we took a put. We actually got in a 680 put for $2. On Nvidia, it actually took to the second 10-minute bar to close below, and we took it 136 put. We got in at $1.10. Let me show you those over here. So Meta, we got in 680 put, and we got in for $2. So roughly about right here. Okay. Went against us, but I have a 50% rule. So if I got in at $2, my initial stop was all the way down here at $1. So that was never in jeopardy. It did bounce around. As soon as it started to go back up, saw it going to 247. Remember, we got in at $2. So I decided it's a good time to move my stop. Um, we moved the stop when it was here at 247. We moved it to 207, so we made a whopping $7 off of that for the $200 investment. Still better than the loss. Could have taken it out earlier up here, being that it was Fed speak day, but I didn't. Being stubborn. Stubborn is not a strength; it's a weakness. But either way, $7 on a $200 investment. Now let's go over to Nvidia. Nvidia. Let's go to the 19th. Okay, Nvidia. We looked at a 136 put. 136. Let's go to the chart. Make sure we're looking at the 19th. Okay, so this one we got in at $1.10. As it started to move up, it showed, possible double top right there. Again, Fed speak day. I moved the stop up to $1.27 as a follow stop after this bar went green, figuring we were either taking off from there or dumping, and we dumped. So we made $17 on a $110 investment on that one. So not too shabby. Well, let's move on to the S&P. On the S&P, whoops, wrong one. Okay, S&P. We had pre-markets. Okay, so S&P pre-market low was right there. Our trend is showing down. It doesn't close below, so that is a no trade day, and we have a no trade means no loss, no profit. We didn't execute any trades, so we got away with not having to worry about that one at all. Um, so other than that, we just had a roughly $24 profit day on contracts, however many you traded, for a total of $310 of investment. So pretty much a flat day, no big deal. Um, other than that, um, that's the recap for the day. The links for Webull will be below. I'm not affiliated with any prop firm yet. I will share that when it happens. Message me for your invite to my Discord. Remember, you get one free week to watch me trade live, see how this happens in real time. If it helps you with your trading, then something that you might want to keep. Other than that, you all can have a nice day.